Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel.
And with that, the 2020 begins.
Let us start. To do this trend, you can use any application. I am using CapCut. Now go to New Project and add your 14 photo or videos. Now select Format 916. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now select all your clips to this time duration. Delete the end part. Now add text. Go to text and type the first text. Choose font and style, and then apply the text layer till the end of first clip. Now listen to the audio and the split from the point where it says that second text. Now delete the first text and type the second text. Now again listen to the audio and split from the point where it says the third text, and then replace with the third text. Now check your video and then export.
23 season begins.
Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.